So both vans are equipped with full window shades interior. Grit specifically has this little pull shade in case you need quick privacy. You just pull it across here. But on the window shades, they are two-sided. There's one for every single window in the van. All of them have suction cups except for the one that goes in the windshield. That one, you just place the shade into place, and then you turn the visors under to hold it into place. All the other ones are equipped with suction cups. So you can see back here, if you put a window shade in, you're just gonna put it into place, press it against it, and the suction cup will hold it into place. They're all labeled, and so they'll tell you driver, passenger side. It'll probably say sliding door or driver's side middle, just to explain where they go. But they're pretty self-explanatory because they only fit in one spot in the van. The one thing you do want to make sure, and it's kind of obvious because the suction cups are facing out, you want to make sure that you have the silver side facing out on those shades.